Hey, how do you do, fellow workers? It's my first day on the job. Found the apparatus. Hey!
Yeah. Can we go to Ohio, Moon?
Taking us to Ohio.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh, yeah, just make yourselves at home, I guess.
Oh, that's the new planet.
It's a bracket, it's a bracket, it's a bracket. Coming?
Oh, they got the apparatus.
No, it wasn't. Unless you want to
Oh no!
Unless you want
Oh no!
He got Roman. Oh fuck.
I'm
dude.
taking some loot back.
Your activity detected. What does that mean?
That means that he's at the door. I bet you they both died. I heard
yeah,
them giggling in the distance, and then they just die.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I'm not going back in there. I'm almost dead.
Well, please.
What? If we all die, then we don't get any loot.
Well, yeah, but
Oh, hey! Back the fuck up! Back the fuck up!
I'm way more likely to die if it's just me than if it's you.
Why?
Because of the Boomhawks. They're pack animals.
Well, I'll watch for you.
Oh.
Oh. Kaden?
I killed him on accident.
You
We were
killed
killing
Roman? Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
It's
dude.
the worm.
We were fighting the thumper and I accidentally killed him.
Let him in.
Okay. You said that, I think, dude.
Is Kaden dead?
Yeah, I can.
Oh,
my
wait,
God, no,
he's
wait.
not dead.
He's alive.
The worm! Worm ate him.
He's no longer alive. Cage just got absolutely fucked.
We have a lot of money. Do you want to leave?
Yeah. No. I think there's too many of them to go back out there. I think we'll both die.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Wait, what was the name of that planet? 36 Art?
Yeah.
Wasn't it 36 Arc?
Oh, 68 Artifice.
Whoa.
It is
That's
1,500 to get there.
That's expensive. That's more expensive than, like, dine and shit.
That's more expensive than prostitutes, am I right, Roman?
I wouldn't know.
Offense sound
I
good
say
to you,
we
Roman?
I say we play it safe. Haha. Pick my nose, pick
What
my
is
nose.
Roman doing? He's
Ew.
Roman is the honored one alone. Oh my god.
So true. Oh my god, he's floating.
Throughout heaven.
Stand proud.
3, 2, 1.
You guys ever like buy something and receive something?
You guys ever like buy something and receive something? Guys, I found bottles and an engine. I need help. Guys, I need help over here. Someone grab this engine. Hey, can someone grab this engine down here?
He walks around a corner and starts getting shot at, and then runs and survives and moves around another corner, and then lo and behold, there's another fucking tour around the corner but didn't see it. So while he's hiding, he turns and looks at me and says, "Phew, that was a close one," and then gets shot. Sorry, I laughed at you. It was your sacrifice will not be in vain, and it was kind of funny. All right, guys, just stop. Please. Stop.
Dude, his feet are so good.
Oh my god.
There's the gun.
There's a lot in there. Well,
I'm good. It's right there, kid.
oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, there's another. No, 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 no.
Run! Oh, fuck. Whoa. Is Kate alive?
Yeah, I left him in there.
Oh, shit, dude. Does he know?
Yeah, he saw me run away from it.
Okay.
Here's a key for you. I'm taking Roman home.
Okay, I'm gonna take a couple other things.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, are you okay? Grab
Oh.
this.
Dude,
Grab that, let's go.
dude,
I flipped past him again.
it chased me
dude.
all the way home.
Dude, oh my god, I alone am the honored one. Holy shit.
Roman's the one who was the honored one, and yet he's dead.
Dude, he like flipped past me and then he was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, they do that.
He like turned around and he was like, wait a minute.
They
It was like, he
turned-
Right
did like a
behind
double
me,
take.
isn't he?
Yeah,
He
for real.
turned around. I put him. So when they were outside, I put him
There
next to
he
the beer
goes.
so he can drink a case while he's dead.
Oh,
There
These
you
are
go.
That was
His-
sweet of you.
These are for you.
Those are for the afterlife, yeah.
Yeah, they're like the offerings that Egyptians put for the pharaohs and the
Yeah.
tombs and shit. Take those with you to. Come on, man. Come on, dude.
Whew. Okay, I'll be back. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, going home.
Oh my god, you bought drugs.
Did you get yourself drugs?
No.
Roman!
Yes, you did. You wish you bought a flashlight.
Oh, he did.
Right here.
Really? Oh, damn. Alright. Hey! You fucking
Hey
liar.
now! How do we do 4 walkies? Is it just 4 and then walkie-talkie?
You can just
Sure.
say
I'm about to
walkie,
blink
yeah.
this shit.
Oh my god, don't!
Roman,
Roman! Don't use it all! Roman!
where
Oh
did
my
my
God.
flashlight go, guys?
Oh my god.
Hey, now you're fucking dead. Congrats, man. Bro doesn't even know where he's going.
Well, you guys ready to head out?
Fucking bees. This is awesome.
Dude. We can really get those beehives now.
Guys, we have to communicate by dancing.
That was clever.
The hell is this? What do they got going on here? Is that a skull?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a lethal company.
Oh, that's like our actual helmet. It's like
Oh.
teammate.
Weird.
That's not
Where's Roman? Is he already there?
that's not great. Yeah, he's
That's
already
Roman.
gone. That's not Roman.
We should do a sacrifice here. Walkies on.
John, come this way.
Walkie check 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's up?
Follow me. Oh my god.
Did I scare you?
Oh. Well.
Roman
That's
took the
not-
fucking apparatus anyway.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh, you scared me, bruh.
Hello? What the fuck? Hello?
Hey,
Which way did I go?
Hey.
the good way.
This way. Hello?
There's a little fishy over here.
Brad.
Guys?
Hey, John. Time to go, pal.
Hey, I don't know how to get out.
Come to you.
Hey, I figured it out.
Oh, he's trying to come over here.
He is trying. Is he up or down?
Did he just make a noise?
He's across.
Oh, Roman, I totally left you to die. Come back.
He's
Okay.
like right behind that door, Madison.
I found a
Okay,
bunch
I
of
thought so,
loot.
but I wasn't sure.
Hello?
Don't go on that door. Let's go.
Well, he can open doors.
Fishy, fishy teeth.
Here, Madison. Take the apparatus.
No one.
Well, I want to go back inside.
Madison, we work for
I'm not going back
the
There's
inside.
company.
literally
There's
nothing in there.
There's
John.
a coil
I
head,
found so
dude.
much stuff. I found like a room full of stuff, and there was a whole new area.
What's a coil head?
Yeah, I was trying
Well,
to tell you guys.
fine. You and Roman can go back.
Hey, Roman, look at
Well,
this. Look at this pike.
We couldn't. Give me
Why
your
do I
shit.
feel that thing, too?
I don't know.
Hey, Roman, look. It's a
Because
head
if
on
he
a
goes
pike.
back in alone, he'll die because there's a coil head.
Not my problem.
What do you think they did this?
Alright. Well,
I
obviously,
don't know who did that.
the things
No,
here.
I'll go back in with you. Don't worry about it.
We're gonna go back in.
The things here obviously don't like us.
Guys,
so-
what if, Roman, what if one of us stares at the coil head and the other keeps looting?
I mean, you only have a couple hours to do so because there's gonna be shit spawning here in like an hour. So.
Listen. Is he right there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's two!
He's right there, so be good.
Oh,
We got
there's
two of
probably
them.
more.
Joy.
Well, Roman, how about I stand right here?
Okay.
I'm watching.
Hold her steady now.
What if I looked away?
Excuse me.
Can you get past him?
Hold on.
Here,
Hold
let's
on,
come
hold on,
upstairs
hold
real
on.
quick.
Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching.
Keep watching. Okay, well, I could go. How are you gonna get back up? Oh, okay. You got it. I was gonna I was gonna pull them upstairs a little bit so we had more room.
They're gonna kill here. You can do that.
Have fun.
Nope, he's going back. Please don't do
Hey, John.
Yeah.
I don't know what all the shit is.
Do you want me to do it or do you want to go home?
He's frozen. He might need your help.
Oh.
Oh no, that's where.
Well, I can't get up.
I lied.
We need to get around them. So
I can't.
go further away really quick, and I'm gonna look away really fast. Okay, Roman. So back
Okay.
down the corridor, like quite a bit, and just kind of stare in this direction. Ah! Roman.
Yeah.
Ah! You're clear.
We're fucked!
No, we got this, Roman. Ready? Oh my god. Alright, we have to be quiet.
Knock knock.
No! Oh, we're on board, fuck!
Hey, Romy.
It's Romy. Bzz, bzz. Roman, are you more Barry B. Benson than me?
Oh my god.
Bzz, bzz, bzz.
I just shut the
Why
door.
is my ship on it?
Hi, gamers.
Heads up, there's bees right outside the ship.
Oh, maybe we can like flirt with them.
Dude, wait, you're onto something. Because we are bees.
I will be flirting with the bees.
I heard something squeaky. I think there might be a spore shrimp. Or a spore lizard.
Okay, I don't see anything, but you're coming up on 3 pieces of loot. There was one more by that one you just picked up. I'm not sure if you can get to it. It looks kind of high up.
I can get to that.
And then there's one on the shelf. Inside the room. Nice.
Where am I?
Over in here, there's a door. There's 2 loot bugs. Okay. You're going the wrong way. I don't want you to go that way. That's a dead end. Go turn around.
This is foggy over here.
Just walk up against the dead end anyway. Walk it back towards where you were. Turn right.
This is slimy, man.
Okay, turn left. Turn left on the dead end.
Hello?
What the hell happened? Roman? Roman, did it get you too?
Uh-oh. Oh, it didn't get me.
Oh, okay.
What is
It's a
that?
nutcracker. And a
Oh,
thumper. There
shit.
it is.
Oh, okay, love that.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck, hold on.
It's okay. I'd win.
Door's open.
Oh.
I told you not to go that way.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh cool, a spider. Dude. Oh my god.
Oh,
He is
Dude.
dead.
yeah, I got. I tried
Roman.
to help him.
I was watching that.
God damn it.
Robin,
Motherfucker.
Well, I think it's time to go.
did you die in real life too?
You can go flirt with those bees.
Yeah, dude, they crawl out of the game.
Not a good idea.
Don't turn around, Roman.
Hey, Caden.
Fishy. Hey, Roman. Remember Les Fiches from French?
Oh my fucking god.
Hey, Caden.
Dude, I miss Les Fiches.
Yo, we're going to Adamance.
Les Fiches. Les Fiches. Les Fiches.
Whoa, that's awesome, Caden.
Thanks, man.
Hey, you should step on that.
Come
Sorry.
here, John.
No.
John, come in here.
Let's go. Let's go. This is like a Scooby-Doo scene. Get the fuck out of here, sport lizard! Don't.
Let's just both put our eggs away.
Egg beater. I'm gonna start taking some stuff.
It's like rock, paper, scissors. I got the egg and you got the egg beater.
Yeah. Oh my god! Bracken! There's a bracken over there. Dude, that hurt so bad. Ow! Hey,
Hey,
what you got there? What's that red? Oh, you got some soda?
the soda.
Soda! Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Get the fuck out!
Throw the egg at it.
That's it!
Oh my god, it's gonna kill me.
Oh, he took my egg! Back off. Give me my egg. He gave my egg back. Dude, we're both so fucked. I got your back, Roman.
So,
Dude, I appreciate that. You're a real one.
Roman almost blew me up.
don't look at him for too long, Caden.
Hey, what happens if I throw this at Madison?
Oh, god damn it.
Should I test
Don't
it?
look
Try
at
it.
him.
Yeah.
Or whatever the fuck that is.
Alright, your turn, Roman. It's like hot potato. Who will make her pissed off?
Caden died. So.
What the hell? Uh-oh! Old bird's awake! Old bird's awake!
Oh shit, really?
Whoa!
Whoa, wait, that's sick as fuck, dude.
Well, I kind of want to check him out.
He shoots missiles.
Oh my god, he shoots missiles?
One of us needs to stay behind.
Well, fuck, I'm not going. There's baboon hogs.
Alright, Madison, you stay here. For content, I gotta go check out this guy.
Dude, Caden's dead.
I know, I'm sorry for Caden, but I gotta check out this robot. Oh my
Oh
god!
my god. The fuck was that?
He just blew he has missiles.
Holy shit, dude.
Is Roman alive? Ah!
Oh my god.
There.
No, Roman's dead.
Oh, cool. Well, at least he died doing what he loves.
Well.
Old bird? Oh my god, dude.
You're not gonna be able to.
These baboon hawks are fucking aggressive right now.
Oh, absolutely. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh, he's
Shoot
dispersing
shit.
them.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Dude, yeah, they're not going away, dude. Maybe Old Bird will come to us. What if he explodes their ship?
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's so loud.
Old bird. Oh cool, more pikes. Oh, there's their bodies. Can I have their bodies back? That's Roman. When they leave again, I'm gonna try one more time to get a good look at Old Bird. I might die.
Alright, I'm gonna stay here. Oh no. Oh my god!
Let me in! Go, 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 go! Get out of here! Killing them all! He's killing all of the baboon hogs! Oh, I could have gotten Roman's body after that.
Scared the shit out of me, dude.
That
I got hurt from those missiles, you asshole.
was hilarious!
Oh my god.
I walked over there and an eyeless dog roared at me, and I was like, uh-oh, so I went crouch mode, and I look over, and he jetpacked across the canyon at me and started
Oh my
shooting all the
God.
baboon hogs.
Did he get through it all, or what?
No, he was fully
Oh,
focused
man.
on the baboon hogs. Did you see that, Roman?
Fuck, dude. He
I saw
sounds
some of it.
scary
Did you get killed by him? Or,
when he
or a
comes at
dog?
you. Oh my god.
I thought like one of you was like
Shit.
screaming bloody murder.
No,
Yeah, that's what it sounded like.
That's him.
That's what
I thought
he
it was
sounds
John
like.
screaming, and then I saw him walk past the fucking shit. That was
Guys,
terrible.
I'm carrying 4 lay fishes.
I'm so
Nice,
happy for you,
dude.
dude. I'm so happy for you.
See,
Dude, I'm
here's
gonna carry a
1
few
lay
flasks.
fish, 2 lay
Holy
fish,
shit.
3 lay fish.
Can I hit you with the stop sign, Roman?
5 fish over here, dude. You killed him. No. Did you kill Roman?
No.
Oh my god, dude. What the fuck did you do?
I
Came
didn't,
through the egg and it killed him.
Oh
I didn't know
yet-
Easter eggs did
I
that.
have yet to see a fucking egg, by the way.
To be fair, he was about to hit you with a stop sign, Roman.
I told him he could.
Oh, I didn't hear that part.
Well, yeah, that's why you don't fucking hit people.
I didn't hear that.
What do you even mean to?
Yeah, that was. It was.
I meant to just I meant to just propel him out of the ship, not kill him.
I meant to just severely damage him and not kill him.
Yeah.
A fish? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get late fish. Freaking.
Lay fishy. Lay fish, lay fish, lay
Here you
fish.
go. Here's late fish.
Wrong way.
Go nuts.
He went the wrong way. He's looking to the sky.
Where's lay?
He's in the ship, buddy.
Let's go outside this ship. Bro, he's right here, dude.
I thought he.
He doesn't come down on a spaceship. He doesn't come down on a bubble, dude.
Or something else too.
Thank you all very much for watching. If you want to see more Lethal Company, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you comment, I will most likely reply to you. With that, me and B Madison will see you all later. Bzz, bzz.